Most people get this wrong. They assume AirVoice Wireless is just a low-cost mobile service, but the surprising truth is that it offers flexible prepaid plans with nationwide coverage that can fit a variety of needs. AirVoice Wireless operates on major U.S. networks, giving access to reliable coverage without being tied to long contracts. Plans start around $15 per month and include unlimited talk and text, with data packages added separately. This makes it ideal for light users or anyone looking to control monthly costs. One of the standout features is the flexibility. You can change your plan at any time, add extra data, or purchase temporary passes for heavy usage months. It's a pay-as-you-go model with no hidden fees, which is perfect if you want simplicity and control. From my usage experience, service quality was solid in urban and suburban areas, though coverage can vary in rural regions depending on the underlying network. Customer support is responsive via phone and online chat, and the SIM activation process is straightforward. The surprising truth is that AirVoice isn't just cheap talk and text. It provides genuine flexibility and reliability at an affordable price, making it a viable alternative to major carriers for budget-conscious users. In conclusion, AirVoice Wireless is best suited for those who want prepaid, flexible mobile plans with decent coverage and no long-term commitment. If cost control and simplicity are your priorities, AirVoice is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of mobile operators to help you find the right plan for your needs.